Today I'm going to show you how to do the first 2 rounds of the whale shark body. This pattern starts with a foundation chain rather than a magic ring, so it can be a little bit intimidating for beginners, especially if you've never started working in the round using a foundation chain. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The first round of the pattern says to chain 13, so we're going to just go ahead and do that. Make sure we have 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, we're going to be working in the top loop of the chain. So as you can see, there's 2. Each stitch has 2 loops, top, bottom, and then on the back there's also this little ridge, these little ridge stitches. So for each stitch there's 3 loops. There's the top, the bottom, and then the back ridge there. So starting in we're going to skip this chain, the chain closest to the hook, and we're going to insert it into the top loop and that little back post. And then we're just going to do that for every stitch, all 12 stitches. Alright, now we have 12 stitches because remember we skipped the first chain. We started with 13, but we skipped the first one closest to the hook, so now we have 12 stitches. Now, you're going to turn your work around like this, and we're going to work into the bottom loops that we left. So we're going to just go ahead and make single crochet stitches into the bottom loops. Alright, our first round is complete. So we have 24 single crochet stitches in total all around on the front and the bottom. So this is we've worked on both sides of our foundation chain, so this is our first round. So as you can see, it's it's like an oval shape instead of a round shape. As if we were to start in the magic circle ring, it would be a round circle, but we're making an oval by using a foundation chain. So the first round is complete. Now to start the second round, you're just going to start crocheting in this first stitch right here. So round 2, you start with an increase. So we're going to make an increase here. And put your stitch marker here because we're starting the second round. And from here on out, it's just going to be just like working in the round. It's just a different shape. Alright, so we've got our increase, and then it says to single crochet 9. increase 3. Oops. So as you can see, we're just crocheting in the round. We just started differently and it's just a different shape, but the concept is the same. We're just crocheting in the round now. And we're single crocheting 9. And 2 increases to finish. And the second round is complete. And just, remove the stitch marker for the third round, start it, put the stitch marker back, and just so on and so forth, just like crocheting in the round. Really the only difference is the starting chain on round 1. So I hope this was helpful in showing how to do the first 2 rounds of the whale shark. Feel free to leave a comment down below if you need help with any other parts of the whale shark, and I will see if I can make a video to help you.